They're fucking firing explosive rounds.
Someone's just shot at me.
User left your channel. User joined your channel.
Fucking 50 call somewhere.
Are you guys inside? I'm getting...
Yeah, we went inside.
Someone's shooting fucking 50 cals at me.
Yeah, they're shooting fucking 50 calls.
I can't see where the shots fired are coming from.
I don't. We just started taking fire when we started clearing the bank.
Angel.
You're gonna have the long range. I can't hear you in the short. We're at the most farthest end of the airfield, eastern end of the airfield. We're past the main of the runway right now. We are taking shots.
Someone's literally shooting fucking explosive rounds at me with a 50 cal.
User joined your channel.
I can't even get down from the fucking...